Stephen, I see you.
Judge, good to see you.
Let's see who we got.
Pat, good to see you too.
Hi, sweetie.
I've got
How are y'all doing?
Norma Cisneros, ABI 652859. Is that you?
That's me, Judge.
Are you in contact with Ms. Cisneros?
I am, Judge. I talked to her earlier today.
And have you received an offer from the state yet?
I got an offer this morning from Nicholas, Judge.
You know what you want to do, or do you need a week or so to figure it out?
Need about a week to figure it out, Judge.
Let's do that.
Sounds good.
And do you have any other cases with us today, or is that it?
That's it, Judge.
You're out of here. Thank you.
Okay. Thank
Jessica,
you. And watch out for Pat. She's trouble, Judge.
Stop it.
See you later.
Bye. Jessica Gonzalez is in, Your Honor.
Day's not over yet. Yes. I've got Jessica Gonzalez with Rudy Estrada, 624652. Jess, I assume you're in contact with Mr. Estrada. Is that true?
Yes, Your Honor.
And I think this is a reset. So have you figured out what you want to do on this case yet?
No, Your Honor. This is a case where I was appointed last week. I guess he signed into the docket last week and his attorney did not show up. But then I got a call or an email from him after I was appointed saying that his attorney contacted him and there may have been some confusion on who was going to represent him. So I guess that's the first thing that we need to clear up for Mr. Estrada.
Who was the other attorney?
I have no idea, Your Honor.
Derek
Jessica.
Ritchie, I think.
I'm sorry, it was who?
I think it was Derek Ritchie.
I can't hear you.
Derek Ritchie, Your Honor.
Oh, and did we hear from Mr. Ritchie at all?
I didn't hear from him regarding that. We've heard from him on other cases, but not on Rudy Vasquez. And I did take
I'm concerned,
and
Jessica, you're
give
the
it
attorney
to-
of record. If Mr. Ritchie contacts you or something and you don't want to be, we'll give you another case. Any way you want to handle it's fine with me, but right now you're the attorney.
Yeah.
He hasn't contacted me. I just got a call from Rudy on, let's see, I spoke to him immediately after I got the appointment on the 24th. And then he called me the next day on the 25th saying that the old attorney, but he didn't have a name for me, so I didn't know who it was. So I didn't contact that attorney. I haven't touched anything with the case. I did download the discovery, but I haven't reviewed anything or made contact with the prosecutors since there was still that confusion.
Have you received the offer from the state yet?
No, Your Honor. That's what I'm saying is once I got that call from Rudy, my client, I didn't reach out to the prosecutors at that point.
Alexis, do you have an offer on this case at this time?
Yes, it's going to be an obstruction, 6/12 plus $500 fine.
Your Honor, since the court's not supposed to hear this, can we go into a breakout room?
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Rochelle Acevedo's coming in, Your Honor.
Okay.
Does you want me to go to the breakout room, or I could just email it to you?
Well, I need to keep a DA here to talk to the other folks coming in, but if you wait, we're almost at the end of our docket. So if you hang on just a little bit, we can let y'all go out.
Mr. Volk is also in, Your Honor.
Okay.
So Rochelle and Mr. Volk.
Rochelle's with us. Rochelle, we've got Mr. Canedo, I think, with us today. So obviously you're in contact with him. Have
Yes.
you received an offer from the state yet on this case?
I have, Your Honor.
And have you decided what you and Mr. Canedo want to do on this case yet?
Judge, I think that we're close to working out an agreement. I had emailed Alexis. I don't know if she got it. Okay.
Yeah.
I just hadn't gotten back. I think we're just conferring on the finalities of
Why don't we just reset you guys for one more week and give you plenty of time so you can talk with your client and the DA and try to finesse an agreement.
That's fine, Judge.
Okay, and you can tell Mr. Canedo, thank you for coming, but he's not required to be at this hearing. It's up to you. If you want to have him here, that's fine, but he's not required to be here.
Okay, perfect. Thank you, Judge.
Your Honor, Rudy Estrada is coming in.
I got Davey Volk here. So Mr. Volk, I've
Yes.
got you and let's see.
Hey Judge, how are you?
Fine, thanks. I've got you and Miss Morellis, it looks like.
Yeah,
And
she logged on briefly. I guess I didn't read the email saying she didn't have to be here, so I told her to go ahead and go.
no problem.
On mine, Judge, I'm just waiting on blood discovery. I had sent the order to Pat on in November, and I don't know if I've gotten much other discovery on this case. At the time that I reviewed the file, I was missing pretty much everything.
Hey,
I've
let's
got-
go ahead and set you for a jury trial, which puts it off for several months. And then during that time frame, you can coordinate with the state and get all your discovery. And then
Okay.
with all your cards on the table, you can let Pat know what you want to do. And if it's still a jury trial, you're already set. And if it's something else, just tell her what you want to do.
Mr. Vogt, I'll check and see if the request or the blood discovery was signed. I mean, if it was back in November, it may be signed and clerks would have done it and I wouldn't have known. So I'll check and let you know.
Thank you.
And Alexis, do you have an offer on this case?
This is Nick's case from a while back. From March 9th.
Well, we all have plenty of time to figure it out. So when you're ready
Yeah,
for,
I don't have dash cam. I don't have the blood results. I don't have a lot.
understand. I heard it was a 0.47, but that's rumor. You know, you can't really tell all the time how that works.
What's the cause number, Judge?
I got 616389, last name Morellis.
Says blood discovery was completed in December of 2019.
Well, but wait a minute. I went to the courthouse yesterday. They didn't have anything there. There were a few that I was notified that there was blood discovery and they weren't there. Not in your,
You went,
not y'all, but I went in person yesterday to retrieve.
you went to the fourth floor?
Come on, man. Of course.
And I'm just making sure here because I got to figure out who I need to contact to see if things are in order, you know? So let me
I got you.
some emails.
How high is the blood allegedly? Do you have that information?
I don't.
I don't, hold one second, Judge.
That's why I'm trying to find out what it is.
You have to have it right now or the case is dismissed. Hey, Judge, I went to trial last week in person in Bernie.
Really? They're doing in-person
Oh,
jury
yeah.
trial?
Yeah.
I
I
think,
tell everybody, even if they don't ask me.
they have to have a Supreme Court of Texas permission to do that.
They had a what they call like the COVID plan, you know, submitted. They've tried a few cases out there. So it was interesting.
Nick, what do you want to do on this thing? I'm just going to reset him for a jury trial and give you all plenty of time to figure it out.
Yeah, Judge, I'm just trying to pull up that number real quick. Just taking a little bit.
Just trying to set Mr. Vogt. If it's a 0.3 something, that would be kind of exciting.
10 seconds. 10 seconds.
By the way, Judge, jurors don't care a lot about old cases. They hold that against the state, saying we've dealt with crazier stuff than this. We shouldn't be putting people in jail. We should be moving forward. So
I've never been higher than a 0.27 in a jury trial myself, but that's just me.
Your Honor, Ms. Voigt is in, Your Honor.
Okay, we'll be right with Ms. Voigt. Let Nick finish.
Point 159.
Allegedly.
Yeah.
Allegedly. Sorry, allegedly.
All right, Dave, we're going to reset you for jury trial. Let us know what you want to do.
thank you. What's the date? Do we know yet or we don't know yet?
The jury trials are probably going to be, if I can find page 1 where I had it,
Yes.
August 16th or the 23rd. I'll have to check.
Okay, thank you.
Transfer to Kendall County, and they'll try it tomorrow at 2:30.
Are you so you can't see anything on this case? I mean, I've got dash cam. I've got everything is uploaded here.
Well, so the thing is, it's impossible for me to search every case every day. We wait for y'all to send an update, letting us know that new evidence has been uploaded. So the last time that I checked, I got police report, 3 body cams, and that's it. No blood and also no dash cam.
And also right here, I've got a notice of additional discovery, blood discovery, left copy, and 4th floor window.
Well, that's the problem is that normally the system would notify us like, hey, and I would print that out and then we would get it. You know, with I think I have 80 DWIs. I can't do that every day, you know, search e-discovery. So.
I understand, but if you've got 80, I've probably got what, 160?
Right, but you know that it's a different type of volume.
No, I understand. I'm just curious why you're not getting the notification. Usually whenever we upload something, it sends a notification.
Usually, but for this case, it didn't happen. So, whatever.
You've got a few months to figure it out. Let us know, Dave. Thanks.
Thank you. Maybe excuse.
You bet. Lisa, I see you out there in your new mobile office.
Judge, Hondo, Medina District Court is live. I have had 9 hearings this morning
Wow.
and three this afternoon. And it's just a joy. It's just a joy to be practicing law right now.
I've got you down on a Nathaniel Mora, 651-796. Are you in contact with Mr. Mora?
Yes, Mr. Moore keeps good contact.
And have you received an offer from the state yet?
No, I have not,
State,
and
do you
I've
have an
requested
offer
it.
on this case?
Judge, there's pending felonies, so I'm not able to make an offer yet until I hear back from them.
Okay, so what do you want to do? Reset for how long?
They haven't even been assigned a court yet, so I don't know.
30 days?
Did you say there's a felony pending on this case also, or there is? Okay. Let's go 30 days. Lisa, you're kind of busy. We don't want to bother you any more than we have to.
And she has another one, Your Honor.
Put it on the arraignment docket for 30 days. All right. And is the other one toward the front or toward the back of my?
It's it's Jacob Garcia. It's kind of on page 8, more or less, Your Honor. It's 330.
Okay. Got it. Okay, and Lisa, are you in contact with Mr. Garcia?
No, but I called his bondsman and asked them to shake the tree. And they
Okay.
said they would, but I've not heard back from him.
How long ago was that?
Yesterday.
All right, let's give him about a week. If we haven't heard from him in a week, I'm gonna have to issue an FTA warrant.
Okay.
And have you ever contacted or been able to contact him? Ever talked to him at all?
No, I have not.
All right, well, let's wait and see what happens on that. Let's just
And
reset.
I don't have an offer on it either.
Do you have an offer on Mr. Garcia?
Nick, this is from the 23rd.
Okay, 1 second. What's the cause number?
651-621.
Oh, I got nothing here. All right, I'll take care of it.
Hey, you'll send me an email?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay. Sounds good.
All right, have a lovely day. Thanks for your help, Lee.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
All right, back on Jessica's case. When you call Mr. Estrada,
He's
he
here, Your Honor.
He's here, Judge.
oh, he's here. Hey, Mr.
Yes.
Estrada, can you hear me, sir?
Sorry, sir, I was on mute. I'm on mute. I was on mute. Sorry.
Here's what we're trying to figure out, Mr. Estrada. Apparently, you were originally, I guess it was court appointed, you had Mr. Ritchie as your attorney. Does that sound right?
Yes, sir, but he hadn't showed up in about 2 or 3 weeks.
Well, that's why we're giving you a new attorney. Is that okay with you?
Yes, sir. Yes,
All
sir.
right, you got Miss Gonzalez, and she's here with us. I can send both of you guys out into a chat room if you want to talk now, or we'll just reset it and give you all time to get together and figure out what you want to do.
Well, I need to speak with Alexis to get a plea offer. That's what I was waiting for. You said that she couldn't go into a breakout session for me to confer with her until Nicholas got back.
Alexis, do we have a plea offer at this time?
Yes.
Go ahead and relate it right now, and then we'll talk about it real quick, or y'all can talk about it real quick.
Yeah, no, Judge, I don't think the court's allowed to hear the plea offer. That's plea negotiations. The court's not supposed to hear it.
Well, go in a chat room then, that would be fine.
Okay, thank you.
I'm gonna put you all in one.
We ultimately find out what they are eventually anyway, so I don't really see where you're coming from, but it's okay.
Okay. Breakout room 1.